apple treats. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let us make this beautiful apple basket together. You will need brown paper, book cover, crayons, glue, black sketch pen. Color the apples with a red crayon. Tear the brown paper into small pieces of 2 cm into 6 cm size. Apply glue on the basket and paste the pieces of brown paper on it. Keep pasting the brown paper pieces till the complete basket gets covered. Use a black sketch pen and add other details to complete the basket. The apple basket is ready!